And thinking back when I was in middle school, it's like, oh, gee, I couldn't have done this.
Sara Ashback is a member of Skyview High School's robotics team. She's also a student in the school's SMT program. But at the girls' robotics camp, Sara is an instructor, and she appreciates the opportunity she's helping provide these campers.
A lot of girls are super interested, which makes me kind of happy. Like when I was in middle school, I did robotics in middle school and elementary school, and everyone's like, oh, you nerd. But then these people are like, oh, this is so much fun.
Changing perceptions about who can do science is just one part of the plan.
I'm not sure that it's necessarily gender specific, but I do think that you need a variety of different people looking at a problem to be able to solve it in probably the best way.
The main focus, of course, is showing kids how science and engineering can solve real-world problems.
In school we use math all the time, but I like applying it to actually building activities like this.
In this exercise, they're building an arm out of dowels and other household objects.
Well, we're trying to connect it all to actually pick up some objects, and so but it's powered by the water.
We're learning how water pressure can be used to move parts, and so that's the mechanics part of robotics.
Just like in the workplace, these students have to work together and stay focused.
Yeah, it's pretty challenging. I mean, you have to pay close attention to the directions, and you have to be pretty precise with what you're doing, otherwise it won't really work.
The girls say the no boys allowed camp environment is helping them stay on task.
I know from my experience, the boys in my class, they're the rowdy ones, so they kind of distract us, and it seems a lot more concentrated.
When they go back to class, and eventually into a job, they'll have to share the workload with the boys. But for now,
I asked them, what about next year? Would you like to have another all-girls camp, or would you like to mix with boys? And they were all girls.